Has this question ever bothered you, that who is a product manager? Or, what exactly is this product management thing around the market? Do not worry. You are not alone with the curiosity over this assumed confusing role. Hello everyone. Greetings from India. This presentation is brought to you by Nirbhay Chauhan from Eklavya Self-Learning Tutorials. In this upcoming video series, we'll take a look at what it's like to be a product manager and explore the in-depth fundamentals of product management. We'll also learn what some of the skills and activities are needed to make a successful transition to this role. And once you finally get into one, then what should be your focus in the initial months? Stay tuned with me guys to solve the mystery of product management. See you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye and thank you.